Alright, today we are taking a look at another Zippo treat that arrived a few days ago. Now this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and its label simply reads 1911 Colt. It's not really a collectible box, but as you can see, it was made in the USA, Zippo, Bradford, PA. Okay, here's a first look at this commemorative 1911 Colt. Now this one came out a few years ago and it was quite expensive, but it's come down way down in price. You see the Colt 45 up there. And it says model 1911, leading the charge for 100 years, 1911 to 2011. You can see the doughboys carrying the flag. And this one is on a high polish chrome case. And this one was actually made in, looks like L of 14, so they're still making them. I would like to get a hold of one that was made in 2011. Have not been able to yet. Great sound. Fires nice. So that is the Colt commemorative 1911 Zippo. And it deserves quite a bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.